Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video we're going to be making a Caribbean jerky. I can't wait to get started with this.
Hey y'all, this is Calvin. Calvin's Corner 72. You're watching Van's World.
I've made this once in the past and it was amazingly, unbelievably wonderful, magnificent. Hey, you're not going to want to miss this if you never tried this. If you like something a little spicy, this is, I'll leave a link to this in the video description down below. I don't want to say the name of it in the video. I had one company get mad because I put the name of their product in the video that I used in my marinade, so I'm not going to. It'll be in the video description. Check it out. See, it's 2 tablespoons of this though, or you can use a dry jerk seasoning and you can use 1 tablespoon of it. But this is 2 tablespoons. It's got some heat, but it also tastes like, it's still burning my tongue where I tried it there for a second, but it's got a real good Worcestershire taste to it too. So we're going to dump that off in there in our mixing container. Get it all in there. You don't want to miss nothing. Don't want to miss nothing on this. Man, that smells incredible. That smells so good. Wow. Golly bum, it smells good. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 3/4 a cup of Worcestershire. And all I do is I use Great Value brand stuff you get at Walmart. You can go to Sam's and get some stuff if you like. One thing you gotta worry about with the soy sauce is that, I mean the Worcestershire, is that you'll have a residue in the bottom of the container. You want to get all that out. You want to get as much of that out as you can. Now I'll show you the difference. The one that I stirred and the one I didn't. This one I stirred and this one I didn't. So you can see the difference in what's left in the bottom of it. You want to get all that in there. Just pour you a little bit in and then stir it. Get all those spices picked back up and dump her in. Alright, we've got 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. That's just regular black pepper. 1 teaspoon, excuse me, it's a 1/2 teaspoon of the black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of the crushed red pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to put our mixer on here, and all we're using for this is I've round, and I use my Wesson jerky slicer to slice it up into perfect slices. Perfect slices. It takes no time at all. That's 1 pound of meat right there. Mix this up you want to mix this up real good to get all that jerk seasoning out of there, mixed up into everything. Alright, jerky, here we come. We're going to put it in our vacuum tumbler marinator. We're going to stir this up one more time. And this is perfect. These recipes right here are perfect for just the family. This isn't for going out and making it and selling it. This is just perfect for the family. We're going to put this over here and pull a vacuum on it. Caribbean jerky. Golly bum, that stuff's going to be amazing. Oh. Going to hear the angels sing. Now we're going to do our traditional shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that jerky. Shake that jerky. We'll throw it in the back here for 25 minutes and let it go. We're going to put this back in the refrigerator and let this sit overnight, because this is one of those recipes that you want to go over and beyond what you're going to do. You want this to be like super concentrated, full of this marinade, because it is so goddamn good. It is so goddamn good. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that jerky. Shake that jerky. Alright, Caribbean jerky. We've got Calvin here for another test of a taste. Get some jerky. I'm excited to try this. I tried it when it was coming out of the dehydrator, and I'm telling you what, this stuff right here is the shiznit.
The shiznit.
Shiznit.
Oh God, that right there sounds good.
Alright, shiznit? You ever ate a shiznit?
Well,
we're fixing to eat a shiznit.
It kind of looks like one though. it smells so good. Mmm.
See, the thing about this Caribbean jerk seasoning that I used in here is that it's got real good Worcestershire taste to it. And I love a Worcestershire taste because it's got that twang of like a vinegar.
That
of some
twang
sort.
vinegar hit me immediately as soon as I was trying to figure out what that was.
Look, this stuff's going to keep pouring out juice, man. It's dry. I'm not saying it ain't dry. But as you're chewing it, it's just going to keep flooding your mouth with that juice, dude. And you should have a little bit of heat there with it.
Well, after, the other one, kind of hard to tell, but yeah.
And this is a simple recipe. As you see in the video, it didn't really take a whole lot to make this. It's just Worcestershire, soy sauce, a fourth of a cup of soy sauce.
Really?
So there's really not much saltness.
It's not too salt, and then you get that vinegary. It's almost like a pickle taste at the back, that vinegary stuff. I like that. You don't even want to swallow, you just want to keep...
Yeah. This is one that you don't want to swallow. You just want to keep chewing on it. Like a piece of tobacco.
Put in your lip, dip. That'd be good to kind of grind up and put in them little pipes, like they sell that. It's like dip,
Son, this is better than Levi Garrett.
I don't even want to spit.
Redman ain't got nothing on this.
That's good right there, boy. May have to have another piece of that.
See, I still don't want to swallow it. Wow. That's got to be my favorite, dude. Out of everything that I've ever made, my whole entire life, I think I've liked this the most.
That is really good. Man, that just bites you right in the...
Yeah, in
right
the pie hole.
Right in the jaw.
jaw.
Let this salty meat in your mouth, boys. It's good. You're going to have your recipe for this.
Yeah.
Man, that's good, man.
Yeah.
It's mild as far as the heat.
Well, the heat's right now starting to get me. I'm fixing to start sweating over here.
I need some more of this.
Yeah. Boy. Just look at it.
Look at the goodness.
Would you just look at that? God dang it.
That look like a hook. You can just hook them. Bring them right on in. Alright, give me the check. I'm just going to get out the checkbook and start writing it out, boys. I need some of this. That's good. I'm glad I come down here today.
Yep. So Calvin's from up North Georgia mountains there. He's got a YouTube channel. A lot of you already know Calvin. If you don't, go over and check out his channel. His link will be in the video description. And if I can figure out, I'll put it up somewhere.
Just put one of them little link things right up there.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a little aggravating, but we can figure it out. Old country boys can do it right there. We can survive, especially on this meat right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that does. Now it is kicking in.
Yeah.
Now I'm getting more spice.
Your nose is going to start running here in a minute.
Yeah, what I did. Right there, I'm going to start slobbering onions. Look out, boys. It's good. We did a video before, didn't we? Down there at the Steak and Shake. Now, that was a good video. We enjoyed that.
Yeah, we did.
First time I ever met him.
The 7x7 big burger. Yep.
That was good.
It was real good. It'd been better if it had some jerk seasoning on it. This is good, man.
If y'all come over from my channel to watch this video, just put CC72 down there, hashtag CC72 in the description. That way I'll know which one of the subscribers that probably already subscribed to him anyways. They come over and check him out.
Yeah.
I love this stuff, man. Good stuff.
Hey, if y'all new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I want to tell y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Go check out Calvin. You have a good one now. And you come back.
We'll see y'all. Alright, I'm taking this home.